Alright, welcome back everybody to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. So today we're going to be doing something that I like. Oh, everybody likes to do it. And it's going to be a McGriddle. Now, we all had these. We all been to McDonald's and we all love them. So now we're going to do that on the Blackstone Griddle. I am excited. Hopefully you guys are ready to see this. So that being said, let's fire up this Blackstone. Alright, so the things that we're going to be using: sausage patties, what is it, Bisquick shaken pork. I love using this. I know, guys, I know it's easy to make it also, but I prefer this. And of course, our egg and cheese. Let's go. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it on, and we're going to cook this on low for our pancakes. So we're going to cook our sausage first. And we're going to need this for our pancake, so it could be in a circle, nice circle, sandwich size. I'll go ahead and add some oil. So we're cooking this on low. Because our pancakes they come out better when it's low. Let's start doing our eggs, because we need I'll show you. Hopefully it could come out already. Yep. So now you gotta steam them up a little bit. Get our pancake batter ready. Hopefully this works. And then you add the syrup. Trim this side a little bit up. And that's how they look. Put these over here. These are ready. Make another batch of pancakes here. And we're going to add our syrup. Is this ready to come off? Look at that, guys. And there you go. Cheese perfectly round. That's going to be good. That's going to be good. So those are ready. Look at that, guys. We're just going to build it right here. What's that? We get our cheese. There we go. Get that on top. And put our cheese. Oh, look at that. And there you have it. Alright. Alright, let's give these a try. Alright, guys, here we have it. Oh man. That looks really good. Really, really good. Look at that. Pancake. This is how the McGriddle probably got started. Wow. This is amazing. My God. This is... That is damn good. That is damn good. Okay. This is just like the McDonald's one. Maybe a little bit better. Because you're making it at home. Quality stuff. Wow, this turned out amazing. Oh man. This is good. You guys need to try this. It's really easy. It's quick. It's a hit. This is a hit. If you guys like that video, make sure you subscribe. Check out these guys, these videos. You know, they're great. And check out this Hudson apron. There's a video up. I just want to check them out. The Hudson apron is really damn good. See you guys next time.